Hi guys. How to change the clock alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy A13. On the home screen, open up the clock application. Next, we go back to the clock home page. And in here, tap on the alarm tab at the bottom. Then in here, you want to open up the alarm clock that you want to use. And then, tap on alarm sound. Next, tap on ringtone. And in here, you can go down and select a ringtone that you want to use. Now there's also an add button. In here, you can even select your own music as an alarm sound. And that is how you can change the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy 13. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.